Yo, my account is back. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. It's 7:51 a.m. right now, and I'm on my way going to pick up my first order. $22 going 5 miles. And what else? I didn't say what else because I forgot. Let's go pick it up. These drops have 3 drops, so I'm here on my first drop off. Let's go drop it off. Let's go. Let's drop this second drop off, y'all. Second drop off. Let's go. Okay, my last drop off, it was only like 2 minutes from my second drop off. So let's go. I just received my second order, $18 going 7 miles, and it's only 2 drop off. So the pickup time is 8:50, and right now it's 8:41. So in the meantime, I want to be doing something. So let's wait for them, yeah. Received the shopping order, you guys. $22 going 4 miles, and I'm only shopping for 12 items. Only 12 items, y'all. So right now I'm going on H33. Here is H33. It's getting hot. I'm done shopping. This was one of the easy shop. Just grab and go. So let's go deliver, yeah. Let's go deliver. We have like 8 minutes to give it. It's hot. Let me see what degree we're on today. We're on 32 degrees. I'm hot, y'all. So hot. Alright, let's go deliver this. So received another shopping order, you guys. $21. It's going 5 miles, and I'm only shopping for 16 items. And easy order. Let's go shopping, you guys. Let's go. I was passing by here and I saw hats, yo. really need to buy hats because my hair is not hairing right now, so I need to get hat. Which one should I get? Which one should I get? Let me see this one. I need to get hot, y'all. I just finished shopping for another order. It was $12 and it's going 5 miles. And I only shopped for 5 items. Hey! That's why I took it. So I know $12 and 5 miles, but there was nothing. So I was like, you know what, let me not waste time. This order is paying $2 per mile. So let me just take it. So I took it. So right now it's 12 o'clock, yeah, 12 o'clock. And after this order, I'm going to be on 96. So far so good, y'all. So far so good. The day is going super smooth. I'm getting orders every hour. This is the only order that I had to wait for like 30 minutes without order. The day is going good. It's going great, actually. So let's go deliver. Yo, just received another order, big order, good order. $36, you guys. $36 and it's a shopping order. I'm going to shop for 31 items, y'all. 31 items going 5 miles. So that's a good order. $36, you guys. That's a very good order. So let's go in, shop it fast, and right now, let me see what time is it right now. Yo, it's 12:46 right now. 12:46. So after this order, we're gonna be on 133. Yo, and I still have like 6 more hours to work. So that's very good. Today we're going to make money. We're going to make money, you guys. So let's go in and shop this order real fast. So we don't have a cart here. I need to go to another entrance to see if they have a cart. So let's go to another entrance. On this Walmart over here, we have 3 entrances, yeah, 3 entrances. So let's go and check it out. Okay, we have a few. Yo, so I dropped the order already and she gave me a tip. Yo, I think this is the highest tip that I ever received since I started Spark. $20? What? This is the most money I ever received on tip. Thank you so much, sweetie. Thank you so much. Comment down below, you guys. Tell me let me know the largest tip that you ever get. Mine is $20. Like, this is my most tip I ever received in cash, you know, in cash. We're talking about in cash. So $36 plus this one. What? Oh, she's a good lady. Bless her heart. So anyway, let's go back so we can get another order, you guys. Yo, so today's Friday, by the way. I don't think I told you guys what today was. And it's good, yeah. I'm getting orders back to back. Like every hour I'm getting order. So that is good sign. That is good. And right now it's 1:34, yeah, 1:34. So I am going back. Let's go back. Comment down below, how is your day so far? Like, is your day going good? Are you getting orders? Because over here in North Carolina, to this particular city, I'm not gonna take my city, you know, because it's such a small city. When you come to my Walmart, you're gonna see me. So anyway, it's going good so far. Thank God. I'm thanking God that he gave me my Spark back. Yo, Thank God, and thank you for praying for me. I received another shopping order, $12, and it's going 5 miles. And I'm only going to shop for 3 items. Yo, so compared to this week, actually this $12 for 5 miles, it's worth it. Compared to other gigs that I was working this week. That's why I'm like, you know what, let me go get this order. Compared to what I was going through, this actually a good order. $12 for 5 miles. It's actually good order. Compared to what I was going through to other gigs, y'all. So, and by the way, I'm only shopping for 3 items, so it's still cool. It's bad when you're shopping like over 10 items for $12. Sorry. So based on what I was going through this week, while I didn't have Spark, I am going to be taking a lot of orders, y'all, because I learned my lesson. There is such good orders that we don't be taking. I'm telling you. There is a good orders that we don't be taking. So according to what I went through this week, sure, I'm gonna be taking them orders. Unless it's very, very, very bad order. You know? Okay, I just realized I came to drop stuff here in the morning. So, looks like she forgot to order stuff. And I'm back. Yeah, I think I came to this house. Alright. Yo, I received another order, $30, you guys. $30 and shopping for 2 people. And it's going 6 miles. So, and altogether it's like 12 items. 12 is now 15 items, I don't remember. And my first item is here, you guys. This one. And it's locked up. And there is nothing to push. I have went everywhere to look for somebody to come open. And didn't find it. So I need to go shop everything else, and I'm gonna make this one last because nobody to come open for me, and they don't even have those push-up thing for people to come, and I don't want to keep wasting time waiting for the person instead of going to shop other stuff. So let's go. So I'm going to skip it for now, come back for it later. Yo, this person in her note, she said, do not put her groceries on the ground. So where should we put it? Knock on the door and give it to you? Did they even say knock on the door? So let me go and knock on the door and maybe give her groceries. Yo, I received one of the big order, $29, you guys. $29, and I'm only shopping for 31 items. It's going 7 miles, so let's go. You guys, oh my gosh. The day is over here. It's 7 and I have been sitting here for 15 minutes and there's nothing coming in. So I'm like, okay, the day is over. Let me just end my day right here. Let me go home. Yo, today was a fantastic day. It was a busy day. It was a busy day. So happy I'm back. So I did some other orders, but I didn't record it. So altogether, you guys, I just made during 12 hours, 11 hours actually. It's 11 hours. So because we started at 8. So $254, you guys. Oh my goodness. $254 and plus my $20. Where's my $20? Yo, I don't know where I put my $20. So $254 plus my $20. That's like $270 something. $276. Wow, that's a lot. 276 is how much just made today for 11 hours. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. So you guys, if you've been watching my video and haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, comment down below. Don't forget to like the video, because every time you like the video, YouTube pushes my video to more people. We're almost on 1,000, you guys. So please subscribe. I will see you guys maybe Monday, I don't know. All right, bye guys. It was a fantastic day. How was your day today? How was your day? All right, bye.